Breast cancer is expected to kill 240 New Mexico women this year alone, and 1,360 new cases of breast cancer are expected to be diagnosed in the state this year. Now, on Saturday, October 19th, the University of New Mexico Cancer Center, UNM Hospital, and the Lobos are teaming up to fight breast cancer. Now, here to tell us about it is Dr. Amy Towner, who is the breast cancer specialist, and you're an associate medical director at UNMH. Is that right?
Correct. Thank you for having me
Well,
today.
thank you for joining us. It's a very important subject, and it's a great way to get awareness out about it. So first of all, what is our report card here in New Mexico? How are we doing on early detection and diagnosis and all of that?
Well, I think we're doing pretty well, but I think we can do better. In terms of prevention, the things that we know that can help women not develop breast cancer is maintaining a healthy weight, exercise, low-fat diet, just some of the things that you're already talking about this morning. The things that we do for screening, our best tool is still mammograms. We would love to see more women screened in New Mexico. I think as a state, we're pretty healthy. So I think that in terms of prevention and being healthy, we are good, but I think we can do better with our screening and getting more women out there between the ages of 40 and 70 of getting those annual mammograms and detecting disease early where it's going to be curable. That's what we want, cure.
Okay, and as you said, 40 to 70 is kind of the target age where we really need to start paying attention, but it can happen at any age. It's never too young to get a mammogram.
The two big risk factors for breast cancer are being female and your age. So as you get older, even if you're above the age of 70, if your general health is good, you should continue mammograms.
Okay. Now, how is UNMH and the Cancer Center, how are y'all working to defeat the disease?
We are really fortunate. We are part of the National Cancer Institutes. We're one of 68 cancer centers in the United States that's been designated by the nation as being one of the top centers for doing research and providing care. We have 86 oncologists that are boarded in their field. It's huge.
Really?
It's really mind-boggling.
Yeah.
We have 126 researchers devoted to understanding cancer and learning how to beat it.
Wow, okay. Now, let's, of course, you might notice our hands are kind of big and pink here. Let's talk about this big game, the Lobos Love Pink.
This has been a pattern that has gone on for a number of years now, where the UNM has teamed the athletics and the Cancer Center for an event to celebrate the breast cancer survivors and their families. They get to go out on the field, they get to be right there and be part of the game. The fellows wear their some kind of pink to acknowledge their support. The band will be in pink. It's a very fun evening.
Right, right. Now, what sort of awareness are you hoping to raise by this event?
Well, I think it's an acknowledgement of how common breast cancer is. It affects 1 in 8 women in America in their lifetime.
It's such a scary statistic.
It's a common disease. Almost every single person in the United States knows somebody who's had breast cancer and is a survivor. And I think it just is a way for us to raise that awareness, do preventative things, get your screening mammograms, and by doing these big events where you have a big public acknowledgement, you can also really support the people who are undergoing treatments. It's great.
Great. Well, how can our viewers get tickets to the game?
The tickets to the game are going to be through the Lobo box office.
Okay, and we see there we're playing the Utah State Aggies that night, October 19th, and we can go to golobos.com/tickets. All right, well, thank you so much for all the information. Remember to wear pink to the game.
Yes,
and,
thank you too.
Thank you.